All right, guys. Looks like you need some feedback or some help with solving this equation here. This is not the exact same equation you saw earlier. This is something that should look similar to it. In fact, this one's just a little bit harder because we have a negative here, but that's about it. I'll show you how to work through this one now. This is with multi-step equations, but this problem right here, 3x equals negative 12, is actually a one-step equation, which means I just have one step to do. And that has to do with this 3x right here. We have to remember that 3x really stands for 3 times x equals negative 12. The question that we have to ask here is how do we get rid of this 3 because we want to solve for x. So the question is how do we undo multiply? Because that is how 3 and x are together. We're together with this 3 times x. So how do we break that up? Break that up by dividing both sides. It's the opposite of multiply is divide. So we're going to undo multiplication with division. So we're going to divide both sides by 3 with the division property of equality. 3 divided by 3 is 1. We'll still have that x to come down equals negative 12 divided by 3 is negative 4. And this can be written as just x equals negative 4. And that is how we do it. But just to check our work really quick, our original equation was 3x equals negative 12. We are going to replace this x with negative 4 just to make sure our work has worked out. So I have 3. My x is going to be replaced with negative 4 equals negative 12. 3 times negative 4 is, yeah, negative 12. And we just have to ask ourselves, is this true? Yes, it is. So we have done our work correct. So hopefully this helps out. If you have any other questions, you can ask me in class.